Hey, we're going to take a look at the Autodrive heated seat cushion that I got from Walmart. I got it for $5. Regular price was $20. 12 volt. Here's the box itself that was wrapped around the seat. Here's the other side. So yeah, here's the seat in my car. So yeah, let's see. Let's take a look at it. I have it plugged in. There is a light. Red light. Here's the info on the seat. 12 volt. 34 volts. Amps. Fuse. There's a fuse in there. There's the fuse. Take that off. Put in the fuse. Here's the cable goes here. Extension. High, low. Doesn't show any lights when you go off or on, or low or high. And then goes there. Go there. It's pretty thick. This one's 2. This one's thicker. So yeah, there's a seat. So only the middle here's warm. The boot, the back, and the other back, not really the head area. Not the sides. The sides aren't heated. The side's not heated. That side's not heated. So yeah, let's see. The back has a strap that has a clip, which you hook over there, under the back and under the seat. So yeah, there it is. Here's more info on it. Made in China by Walmart. So yeah, and then the sides, it also came with these hooks, I think for you to hook into the plastic, or on the plastic or metal. So let's see. So there's 2 straps on that side. I mean, 1 strap over there, 1 strap on that side. And also, here's the bottom. Strap over here to hook down onto, somewhere onto the seat. The bottom. So yeah, let's take a look at the temperature. So let's see. Dashboard of the car. I've been driving it. 76. Okay. Celsius is 20. So far. There. The seat is 90 on high. It's been maybe a few minutes. 2-3 minutes. That area is 90. Mostly the heated area is in the back. Here's the front. Here's the top. The side. Here's the back. $71. Here's the back. Side. Like the back, other side. So yeah, no sound or anything, but yeah, there's the seat cushion. If you have any questions, leave me a message, like and subscribe. Got this at Walmart. Looks like it works well. I'm probably gonna try and use this for camping. Buy a generator or something. Solar generator or giant battery, plug it in, see how it works. Are you guys gonna get one, or what would you guys use this for? Thanks for watching. See you guys.